When you're marketing to attorney prospects, an important principle of marketing is to pre-qualify these attorneys. And what I mean by that is you want to make sure that you are putting your time, your money, your efforts into qualified attorney prospects. Attorney prospects who will be interested in what you have to offer as a certified legal nurse consultant. So, as an example, if you're talking to a business attorney, well, that business attorney doesn't handle injury cases probably, so that might not be the most qualified prospect. I think the flip side of this principle, however, is that you want to be careful that you don't over pre-qualify. And what I mean by that is you don't want to be making assumptions about anybody. You need to do your due diligence. You need to really probe and explore and get to know a person, because even a business attorney knows personal injury attorneys. So maybe that attorney can't use your services, but that attorney knows other attorneys. Perfect example, a personal situation that happened to me. The last time I went out to buy a car, here I am, I go on the new car lot. There's quite a number of new car salesmen hanging out, and none of them are busy. And I show up and I've just got shorts and a t-shirt and flip-flops on, so probably I looked a little casual, maybe not in the buying mood to these car salesmen. Not a single car salesman approached me. Before I knew it, I'm being approached by the used car salesman. So he's on the other side of the lot. He comes over, he sees me looking very carefully at a particular car. He approaches me and he says, "Hey, can I help you?" And I'm like, I'm good. I'm just kind of checking things out and looking around. And he goes, "That's fine." And he starts talking about this car that he could tell I was eyeing. And he says, "Come on, let's go take it for a test drive." And I'm like, no, I'm not gonna buy it, so I don't want to waste your time. He says, "Oh, that's okay. I got nothing else to do. Let's go." I get in the car with him. That night, I bought that car, not from a new car salesman, but from the used car salesman. Now, I'm sure these other guys, when they found out that the used car salesman sold me this car, they're probably thinking, "Oh my gosh, what did I do?" But I think we need to be careful, because we all have biases, we all have assumptions about people, but sometimes we have to take the time to get to know a person before we make those assumptions. When we're exhibiting with our VIP pros, one of the things I always say is, you don't know which attorney is going to walk past the booth who is the most important attorney of the day. You have no idea who the most important attorneys in this exhibit hall are. So you're going to have to take the time to really find that out. So the next time you're out, whether you're exhibiting, you're at a party, you're networking at a social event, take the time to pre-qualify in a legitimate way that really helps you to know whether it is worth your time, your effort, and your resources.